This is Mike and Yvonne from Between the Lakes. Today is Friday the 8th of October. We've come to Torrevieja, down to the skate park, and we've noticed there's something going on. Not quite sure what it is. I think it's some sort of a market.
It's like a market.
It's a market, isn't it?
Maritime market.
Maritime market. And there's a lot of pirate flags and things going on.
Yeah, so there's a bit of a theme going on.
What temperature is it today?
It's been 26 today.
So 8th of October, 26 degrees in Torrevieja. It's banging.
Banging.
It's banging. It's my word of the day today.
Banging.
It's banging today. It's really nice down at the marina. Which is your boat?
I haven't put it out there tonight.
Why not?
I've left it at home.
Left it at home? What, in Cleckeen? There's no waterways in Cleckeen. Let's go and have a look at the market.
Let's have a look.
Let's go and have a look and see what there is. Look at the waterfall. Now it's close to 6 o'clock, so the sun is just going down. The waterfall backlit against the light there. Looks beautiful. But first, as I was absolutely starving, we decided to eat. We ate from the menu del dia at the Pizzeria Centro. The price was €8.90. We both had a mixed salad to start with. Yvonne had the salmon and I had the half chicken and chips. Great value and very tasty. The Mariners Market on the skate park on Vistalegre is only a short walk from the street market by the car park in Torrevieja. Tiny, tiny beers.
What are they? 20 CL.
Yeah, it's the same thing, the old special offers at the market, say 4 beers for €5. Hey, then you get them.
You think you're going to get a bargain?
But they're nice.
5.5%.
It's nice beer.
Nice.
Estrella Galicia.
Galicia.
So on that note, I think it's a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. It's a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1, bing! Adios!
Adios.